Your Honor, I belong to a proud nation.
एजाज
A nation that was created in the name of Allah Almighty. A nation for which thousands of sacrifices were made. A nation for which the Muslims left their lands, their loved ones, and their ways of living. A nation for the freedom of exercising the religion. I belong to this proud nation. A nation that has phenomenal potential, great people, and great talent. A nation that has great rivers, high mountains, and great agricultural lands. A nation that has wealth of natural resources, great strategic location, great air force and army. A nation having great friends like China, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and Libya. I belong to this proud nation. Ladies and gentlemen, know hear me clear. A nation that has surpassed all the heights of cruelty, brutality, fatality, greed, and corruption. A nation where man is eating man. A nation where destruction and devastation of innocent life is game to play. A nation where we slay our brothers in the name of war against terrorism. I belong to this proud nation. A nation where land mafia demolishes a school to build a restaurant. A nation where poverty and ignorance mask the face of death. A nation where innocents are slaughtered in the name of blasphemy. Yes, Your Honor, I belong to this proud nation. A nation we call the land of Pak people, Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Your Honor, I have a dream. I always dream to be called a Pakistani rather than getting tagged a tribal. I always dream to be freely moving from province to province and from city to city with my identity card highlighting South Waziristan Agency as my hometown. I always dream to visit that great region, the place my father took his first step, the place my grandfather learned to speak his first word, the place that sounds like me, the place where my forefather decided one fine evening to stand with the decision of creating a separate homeland for Muslims. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever thought of entering Dera Ismail Khan, your hometown, with a Watan card? Have you ever felt the pain of not getting a card for yourself and not being able to see the innocent faces of your own hardworking people? Have you ever felt terrorist enough to not being allowed to go to a central park in the province of Punjab? It's enough. We have already lost the gambling of our precious life. When will this nation see our dreams coming true? We have dedicated and given our lives in the name of this nation. When will this nation see the truth of promises made by our witty leaders? We have slaughtered our rights for seeking justice. When will the statue of justice standing in the Supreme Court provide real justice to my poor nation? I question you all. When? I question you all. When? Ladies and gentlemen,